Try swiping for a different look.
Yeah.
I'm good with this look. What are you talking about? Am I live?
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I?
Yes, now you're live.
But there are no questions.
It'll start coming.
Hi guys. Hello. I'm not fully certain I'm live, but these three lovely ladies are telling me that I am. So I just want to say thank you for coming on this chat. I really had this urge to talk to everybody and just thank you all for the love that I've been receiving for Sultan and for Arfa, and it's just been really overwhelming. So I really had to be here and talk to you all personally, and I hope that we do this more often. And I can see there are some questions coming, which is very nice. Hi, hello, hi, yeah. One guy just said yeah. Okay, okay. So guys, just ask me some questions, okay? Because like hi to everybody. Now let's have some questions. I love you too, Apek Khan. Hi. 250 comments so far. Why can't I read them? सवाल पूछ लो यार. Love you too. थोड़ा deferred होता है क्या ये?
It's a 10 seconds.
हाँ, okay. I'm good. Thank you. Sultan is great. Thank you, Udit Sharma. Thank you so much. So glad you liked it. Saimul Hassan has asked me my feelings about making Sultan. See, right now my feelings are of just a lot of gratitude because the film has been received so well by all of you all, and I think all the hard work that I've put into the film, this has been the most difficult film of my career, because not only did I have to play a very, understand very mature emotions, I also had to learn a different sport. I had to train myself and change my body for the film. So the appreciation that we received makes me feel very good, and the feelings is just of plain gratitude. Abdul Haldi from Afghanistan, how are you? I'm very good, Abdul. How are you? Chetan Verma, the day is going really good. I just did some readings, and now I'm doing this, and then I'm going to go for a shoot. But so far, it's going really well. Rashmi Rai saying she likes me so much she can't tell, but tell na. Tell na, Rashmi. Fahad Qureshi asked me what do I think about Salman's hard work in Sultan. I think this is Salman's best performance, and he has really put in a lot of hard work, and pushing yourself in this way as an actor, I think is something that I really respect in everybody. So I have a lot of respect for him for doing what he did with Sultan. Arun Ovala saying, Salman and my chemistry was awesome. Thank you so much. I'm really glad you liked it. Anmol Basant, this question about which three Khan was the best to work with, this is like the worst question ever, because the whole point of being able to work with all three people is that you had had thrice the fun of working with three amazing people and who are so good at what they do, and who have achieved so much in life. And for somebody like me this is still I would say I've not had that kind of experience in the number of decades that they've put into Indian cinema. So I feel like there's always something to learn from them, and I can't possibly say who was the best. For me, I was just happy that I was getting to work with all three of them. Great. GS has asked me, do I focus on the character of the film or the whole? So for me, first and foremost, it has to be the film, the story, what the script is about. That's most important. Because I mean, ultimately, no matter how your performance is, no matter what you're doing in a film, if the film doesn't do well, it means nothing. No one notices anything. And of course, after that, it's very important who the director of the film is, because ultimately he's the captain of the ship. And then my role, yeah, of course, I need to play something that I can relate to, and I feel like people will be able to relate to it. Because when I was growing up and I was watching films, for me, I was so taken over by Rani Mukherjee and Preeti Zinta, because I felt like they look so real on screen, and as a girl, it shaped me, and it shaped me in my in my personality. So I hope that I can add any little bit of value to anybody. I would feel very happy about that. Ajul Khan wants me to say his name. Okay, there, I said it. Thank you, Bunny Bawa. Love you too, Gurpreet Virdi. सब हाय हाय बोल रहे हैं. सवाल पूछ लो. Mohsin Fareed, love you from Pakistan. I said your name. Mohsin, there, you asked me to say your name. Nisar Bohal has asked me who's my favorite actress in Bollywood. Actually, I can't name one because everyone's doing so well, but I feel like I really enjoy watching Alia on screen because I think she's a very natural performer, and I can see her growth as an actor, and she's so young, and despite that, she has that kind of maturity as an actor. So I think she's a very intelligent person. I really like Alia. I think even Deepika is a very good actor. Kangana is a phenomenal actor. So everybody's actually quite good, actually. Yeah, must be so hard for you all. Rahil Alvi saying my reading is so slow, yeah. Your writing is so slow, yeah. Just write some questions also. Usman has asked me who my favorite singer is. My favorite singer, I love Mohit Chauhan and Arijit Singh, Sunidhi. Mm, yeah, yeah. Nishant Singh asked me how hard was it to work with Salman. It wasn't hard to work with Salman. It's just that Salman is for me, he's very intimidating because I think as a person, he's not somebody who will go out of his way to make you feel comfortable. And I'm very shy as a person, so I can't break that ice. So thoda sa wo beginning mein discomfort tha, but as we started shooting and progressively, I think we became more comfortable. At least I became more comfortable. Saiful Islam asked me if I didn't become an actress, what would be my second choice? See, right now I can't think of anything, but at that time before I became an actress, I was a model. So I thought that is what I was going to do for the rest of my life. Then I also wanted to be an IS officer. Then I also wanted to be a journalist. So I mean, I wanted to be so many things. So I think it's better to be an actress because being an actress, you can be many things. Like I played a wrestler in Sultan, and I played a journalist in PK. So best of everything. Vinayak Bhatia, what kind of music do I listen to? Nothing in particular actually. I like Bollywood music, but I like melodies. Like I like romantic songs. I like lyrics a lot. So I like songs with meaning. And then I also like Badshah ka music. I love Akra swag. Then I mean internationally, like alternative rock, like just chill music. Hi everyone who's just joining in. I guess that's why you're saying hi now. Say what, yaar, Abhishek? Rohit Chokhani has asked me, have I seen Urta Punjab? No, I haven't seen Urta Punjab because I was traveling and I was in Punjab actually when Urta Punjab released. And by the time I came back, I was doing promotions for Sultan, so I didn't get the chance to see it. But I'm definitely going to see it because the writer of the film, Sudeep Sharma, is my very dear friend, and he's also written the script of NH10. So I'll definitely be wanting to watch that film. So maybe when it comes on DVD. My favorite sport, Umesh Nitnavar has asked me. I like tennis a lot, and playing wise, I think I can play badminton very badly. Okay, not very badly, but like I'm decent. So yeah, badminton I like to play and tennis I like to watch. Jam Ear has asked me what's my next movie. My next release is going to be Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. which is going to release on October 28th this year. After which, my own home production, Filori, is going to release next year, in March mostly. We will be announcing the date soon. And after which will be Imtiaz Ali's next with Shah Rukh Khan, for which we're going to start shooting next month in August. I'm just waiting for questions, guys. Hi Prince Richard Angeles Biranu, क्या नाम है आपका यार? Thank you Niketan Rai. Asta Sharma is asking me one fitness tip and she's crying. Why are you crying? One fitness tip. You know, honestly, it's more about what you eat than how much you work out, because health is actually made in the kitchen. So it's very important that you follow a good diet, and also of course you work out, but then you give your body a lot of rest also, which is very important. Recovery is very important. Thank you Pugalendi Jawaharlal. That's a very sweet compliment. Thank you so much. Muhammad Usfan Mumtaz has asked me whether I will sing a song in any movie. See, the thing is, actually, a lot of people think that female version of Jag Ghumya I have sung, which I have not sung. Okay, so Neha Bhasin has sung that song, so I have not sung, and I don't know if I'm ever going to sing in a film, unless maybe if I'm playing a wannabe singer, only if it makes sense in the script for me to sing. But I'm not a singer, so. But I think I have a decent voice, but I don't know if I'm going to sing. What is this? Arpit Saxena has asked me what's my favorite cuisine. See, earlier I used to like Japanese food a lot, but I've turned vegetarian 2 years ago. So now I'm just discovering, actually. What happens is, when you've been non-vegetarian all your life and then suddenly you turn vegetarian, then it takes some time to understand what is it that you like to eat and what is it that you want to eat. So right now, I eat like ghar ka khana, which is my favorite cuisine, if that's a cuisine. So just like regular dal, sabzi, roti, very like regular. Do I like pizza? Veer Meer. Not really. Meh. Yeah, not so much. Yash Patel, how is my workout? So I've changed my workout now. When I was doing Sultan, my workout was more like, to build my muscles and to look bigger, because I'm tall and like not so like big. I'm petite. But now my workout is like just a lot of power and just a lot of power work, and just I started doing cardio again, and yeah. Faiz Ahmed, मैं बहुत cute लग रही हूँ. Thank you Faiz. Hi, hello, hi, hello. I'm good. Hassan Raza. I'm doing great. Akshat Ruhela, thank you that you like the film. I just finished watching Game of Thrones season 6, and every time the show gets over, I feel like crying, because I'm like, oh, I have to wait another year now for the show to come back. So I watched Game of Thrones. Currently, what am I watching? Not watching anything actually right now, but I'm going to start seeing the show called Black Mirror. So I've heard that's really nice. I'm going to start watching that. Soumya Shankar Banerjee wants to see me in a role like NH10. So you want to see me in a role like beating boys up. वो तो सुल्तान में भी किया था, but like legally correct था. Juhi Mehta asked me what genre of films do I like watching. I like thrillers. I like love stories, or like something which is a bit like unique, कुछ अलग type. तो मतलब even if it's a love story but with a bit of a twist. I like romantic comedies also if they are good sometimes. Then I love like comedies, like I love Bridesmaids and like, you know, just female relationships wala stories. Yogesh Savaj, you're so beautiful while crying. Thanks. I hope ज़्यादा करना ना पड़े. Fahad Qureshi's asked me, what do I think about Dangal? I've just seen the poster of Dangal and I think it looks fab, one of the best posters I've ever seen. And it's an Amir Khan film, so obviously it's something that all of us are looking forward to, and so am I. And yeah, I think it'll be kick-ass, you know, to see wrestling again in a film. It's nice that through films, wrestling as a sport, it's getting the recognition that it truly deserves. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the film. Mohammad Ayub has asked me, where am I? Oh, how can I tell you that? I'm in my home. Which is my favorite Hollywood actor? I like Ryan Gosling. He's nice. Then, recently also I was liking somebody, I've forgotten the name now. Tom Hardy. Tom Hardy. I like Tom Hardy. भूल जाती हूँ मैं. Tom Hardy. Do you like movie with SRK in future? Ajinkya Palkaria, of course, man. I'm doing Imtiaz release next with Shah Rukh, which is going to release next year. Salar bin Said, I'm looking at your comment. Samrat Lucky, NH10 is awesome movie. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Who's my favorite Bollywood co-star? Amrit has asked me. See, I've actually worked with so many of them that it's very difficult to say who's my favorite. But I had a really great time working with Katrina, and I think that was something that I wasn't expecting because you know, I mean, I thought she's very quiet, she doesn't talk much, but I had a great time with her, and like, you know, we can chat a lot, we can speak on a lot of things, and I think she's a very intelligent girl and she's very real, so I really like her. Farman Iqbal has asked me if there's anything special about Filori. Yeah, Filori is a very beautiful Desi love story with a lot of you know, lot of comedy in it also, and drama. So it's like a wholesome entertainer. So I think you guys will like it. Rishabh asked me who's my favorite character from Game of Thrones. See, earlier my favorite character was Arya Stark, but now after the 9th episode, it's Sansa, because she's just come out and she's badass. So like suddenly it's like Sansa. Gary Rathod asked me in what state I was born. I was born in Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh. PJ Vinod, love you too. Yeah, actually, yeah, I do like the Imp also. Yeah. Tyrion. Yeah, Tyrion Lannister from Game of Thrones. What is my favorite color? White, but I don't think it's a color. White's not a color, right? No, white's not a color, but yeah, I like white. Vishnu has asked me when am I coming to Vishnu Menon, God's own country, Kerala. I hope soon, man. I really deserve a holiday right now. I've been working non-stop since January, and I would love a holiday anytime soon. But ऐसा कुछ लग नहीं रहा है, आसार नहीं दिख रहे हैं. Okay, guys, 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to go because I have to go for a shoot. So please ask me any more questions that you all have. And hi to everybody. I love you all too. So इसके अलावा आप लोग और कोई question पूछो मुझसे. Thank you, Pankaj Sareen. Thank you, Harshpal Sharma. Ashutosh Chapekar, your God gift. Thanks, yaar. Apurva Agarwal has asked me if I got hurt shooting for Sultan. No, I never got hurt shooting for Sultan, but I was also very careful about it. Like I had a physiotherapist, and I was making sure that I'm resting enough because it can be very hectic shooting a wrestling sequence for so many hours in a day. Ranveer Hundal, थोड़ी smile बहुत सोनी जी. Thank you. Sharmin Shamin Anchal, it's your dream to come to India and meet me in person. You should come. Please come. Carol Gomes' secret to such a flawless skin. Yaar, lots of water and just being positive. सड़े मत रहो तो स्किन अच्छा रहता है. Rohit Kapoor, the cutest army kid I have ever seen. Hey Rohit, army, high five. Hello to Varanasi, Lucky, Saurabh. Mohammed Fahim Gauri, love from entire 200 member family. Wow, that's awesome. That's a lot of love. Thank you. Anza Ahmed, will I ever visit Norway in future? I would love to. Let's see if some film or holiday takes me there. Okay guys, last few questions. Thank you, Mirza Yassin. Danish Alam, which was the best moment of my life. I think it was when I got my first film because that was very unexpected and it was a big deal for me, and I realized that my life was going to be changing completely. So I was driving back home and I didn't even realize that I was crying so much that I couldn't see anything anymore. So I had so many like tears, like happy tears. I don't know what it was. Like I was just being relieved. I don't know what it was. So I stopped the car and I gathered my composure and I called my parents and I told them about it. So I think that is a memory that I remember very, very distinctly because it was such a big thing for me. Okay guys, taking one last question. नकुल मिदा बेबी को बेस पसंद है? Can you please smile मैम? तब से हंसी तो रही हूँ यार. Thank you Sai Sandeep.
You can just say a goodbye.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go now, and thank you so much for joining me and spending some time with me. It's been lovely, and I hope I answered most of the questions I was being asked. And I love you all. Thank you for the love and the support, especially the love for Sultan, and I'm eternally grateful to you all. So thank you, and whoever's not seen Sultan yet, please go watch it. Bye.